Deadlines can trick us into thinking that we have more time than we actually do. This causes procrastination. Have you heard of Parkinson's law? Parkinson's law is a well-known phenomenon that describes how the work expands to fill the time allocated for it. In other words, if we are given a certain amount of time to finish a task, we tend to use all of that time to finish the task, whether or not we need it. This reminds me of all the assignments during my undergrad, even masters. Now the problem is, this can have a significant effect on our productivity because we end up wasting time. However, the good news is that we can use Parkinson's law to our own advantage. So in this video, I'm giving you 4 ways that can help you optimize your schedule and you are able to do the work more efficiently. Starting from point number 1, break down the task into smaller ones. If you have a project that is needed to be done in a span of whole year, what you should do is break it down into, let's say, 4 quarters of the year or even monthly. And then by month have the tasks divided, and in that way you will have smaller tasks to achieve and it's more doable and it gets more motivating when you get to finish one task and then jump on to the other one. Point number 2, assess the tendency of each task. We have the tendency to misjudge. There could be some tasks that need a very long time, for example, research. And then there are some tasks that do not require that much amount of time or cognitive effort, let's say data entry. So what you have to do is evaluate the intensity and evaluate the expansion of the work, and then divide your tasks based on your schedule. For example, a data entry task will not be that much of cognitive effort, so you can do it in the time where you are little less active and you don't want to do much effort in terms of your brain. Whereas if you have to do research, you can use the best time, which is usually mornings. So do the research in the mornings, and then there you have a lot of hours to do so, and that's how you can reschedule and make it more optimized. Point number 3, set deadlines accordingly. This is where you need to set different deadlines for different tasks. You might be able to see that we can accomplish the same task that we thought would be done in, let's say, 1 hour in actually 30 minutes. Setting a shorter deadline will make us work more efficiently and with greater force. This will help you manage to stay on track and save time. Point number 4, have a work buddy or an accountability partner. Your partner will hold you accountable for meeting the deadlines. Share your calendar and share your work schedule with that partner. Try to work together, and whenever there is a push needed, you have a buddy who would do that for you. Having a buddy provides an additional level of motivation and it makes the work fun as well. So the benefits of Parkinson's law, you will not be putting off the work until the last minute because you don't have that leverage. This will create a sense of progress for you. Eventually a productive, satisfied manner of working. Whether we are working on a big project or we're just doing our daily chores, this simple concept can help us achieve our goals and be more successful and happier in our lives. To help you with the planning, I have created 2 weekly planners to help you beat procrastination. You can check that out on my Gumroad website. I've shared the link in the description. You can also check out my video on habits, where I have talked about a couple of simple habits that will also help you improve your lifestyle, which eventually helps you have a satisfied and happy life. Until my next video, bye!